this would be my idea for Bust Obi-Wan. This is just a video response to him. He had just posted up a video on a foam hammer that he was working on for his little weapons things he's been doing. But Bust Obi-Wan, this is would be my suggestion would make it into a Dwarfen rune hammer. This is a big two-handed hammer, and I think the way you got yours designed looked a little bit like this one, so I figured I'd show you this. This is where I've made for my a hero, fantasy hero. So hope you like my idea. Bye.